I have these little clips I'm gonna put in my hair to hold my hair back. I already did my skincare, like my skin prep and everything like that. So I'm gonna start with my makeup now. I have it on this bag because I was on vacation, so I had it like pre-packed. So I go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and it's in the shade 3. And I only use this for under my eyes. So I like this. And then I go in with the Too Faced concealer. It's oxidized, so that's why it looks like really orange, but this is in the shade Natural Beige. I've had this for a while, so that's why it looks like that. But I put it on my chin, I put it on my forehead. Oh my gosh, I got so much tanner. It's okay. And then I put it on any blemishes that I have. Put some here, put some here. I kind of use this as like the base because I don't wear foundation, so I just use this as the base of my makeup. Okay, that looks like a lot, but I low-key did put a lot on my forehead. We're gonna pretend like I didn't. I go in with this brush. I'm just gonna blend it out. I got a lot tanner, so this was the shade I was using before, but I think I can still make it work. My dogs are barking. I use bronzer and stuff like that. I actually use a lot of concealers because like I said, I don't use foundation, but that's why I go in with different shades. So I go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. I use this one for under my eyes to brighten. So I put a little bit here and a little bit there, like so. I go in with this brush and I just take a little bit out and I shape my eyebrows. I'm not really precise with this because I kind of just do it so I can highlight it, not so much shape it. So I literally just, I know this is probably gonna make some people cringe, but I just go like that. I don't really care about the shaping. The front I kind of do shape a little bit more, but like the end, I kind of just do it to get the concealer on there. I go in to blend it. All my brushes are kind of random. There's mainly from Sephora, but some of them are just like Morphe brushes. I'm just gonna blend this out, and I just blend outwards. I actually haven't done a makeup video in a long time. I don't do makeup videos too often, but my makeup has changed a lot. Then I go in with a beauty blender and I blend it a bit better. Okay, then I blend my eyebrows. I use the same concealer brush that I just used. Sometimes I go back in with the NARS concealer. I'll do a little dot on each side. Too Faced concealer is already full coverage, but I don't know why. I just add a little bit more. One's a bronzer, one's a contour. So for the bronzer, I go in with this Merit bronzer in the shade Leo, where my cheekbones are, like so. And then on my forehead, and this makes you look like naturally bronzed, and this is good because my makeup is a lot lighter, so it kind of evens it out. I go in with the e.l.f. contour. This is like the Charlotte Tilbury dupe, and I do 2 dots here. I contour my nose, so I do a little circle and then I do 2 lines. I just blend it. The Merit bronzer blends so good. It like blends into your skin. That's why I like it a lot, because it looks like just naturally bronze. So I go in with this bronzer. I kind of do it to set it because I just use cream products. Makeup by Mara bronzer in the shade Medium. Put it in the exact same spots I put the other one. Kind of just go like under my nose, over my nose, and around. So the same thing I did with the contour, but just with the powder. I've recently been using the Rare Beauty blush because I used to use it and I started using it again. I actually hit pan on it, so I'm gonna have to buy a new one. I feel like a lot of my products, these are like my staple products that I always use. It's in the shade Nearly Mauve. Go in with this one. The Burt's Bees blush in the shade Shy Pink. This is my favorite one, and it's literally only sold online. I thought it wasn't, but I looked it up recently and it is. Then I go in with powder. This is the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Pound Cake, and I use the e.l.f. puff. I bake my face. This side looks a little bit weirder, but it's fine. So I go like this, and then down here I go like this. I have really oily skin, and I like my makeup to be really matte, like super matte, because I can make my makeup look so matte and then at the end of the day it's not going to be matte anymore. So that's why I use a lot of powder. But I let the like actual bake sit for a while because I do the rest of my makeup and I don't wipe it off until the end. Okay, so for my eyebrows I use the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, but for my eyebrows I basically just, you guys can see I have like sparse eyebrows at the ends. My eyebrows are full like in the beginning, but towards the end they get kind of sparse. So what I do for this is I kind of just like pull them slightly and I just fill it in. Brow gel. This is by Kosas. It's just a clear brow gel. This is a Glossier eyeliner. I used to use this one. I still use it. I just ran out and I just got the Glossier one. I always use this little mirror. This is like the easiest way I can do it. And I just do like a little bit here. Like that. I just go like that. And then I bring it in. So basically I just do a line here. And then I bring it in. I'm gonna show you guys my mascara routine, which this is my favorite step out of like throughout the whole makeup. Mascara is my favorite step because I feel like it brings the makeup together. I use the Shiseido eyelash curler and I just curl my eyelashes. I got a lot tanner than I was like previously because I went to the beach for 2 days, but the first day I honestly didn't get tan. It was more so the second day, but I actually got sunburnt, which I've never gotten sunburnt before, but it's because I didn't wear sunscreen, so yeah. But I got sunburnt for the first time. I did not think my face was gonna get tanner because I had makeup on. So for some reason I just thought like it wouldn't, but it actually did, surprisingly. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It's the Maybelline Push Up Angel mascara. And I love this one so much. So I just go in with this and I get my mascara all over my eyelids just because I feel like it coats my eyelashes better. So I do the first coat. I let it dry for a couple seconds. Then I go in with the second coat. I go in with the telescopic mascara in waterproof. Both of the mascaras I use are waterproof. And I kind of just do the same thing. I go in with this one, run it through my eyelashes, but I go like this to kind of make them stick together. First coat of this one, I go in with 2 coats. My eyelashes are done. Kind of just stick the ends together for some reason. I don't know. I just like how that looks. Actually, I have 2 of this lip liner because I like it so much. The only thing I don't like about these is like the way that they sharpen. I feel like they don't sharpen very good. And I also feel like they don't last very long. But I do use it a lot, but I don't know. I wish they were like twist, because it's like plastic. I wish it was either wood, like the wood pencils, or like the twist ones. I don't know how I feel about the plastic. This is the Glossier lip liner. It's the new ones that recently came out. This one's in the shade Bite. With this one, all I do is I outline, and then I kind of go like in towards here. I go with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. I just do it in the middle. And then that's my lip combo. But I'm gonna clean off the mascara on my eyelids. Now I'm gonna wipe off the bake. So just go like this. I go in with the Anastasia palette. This palette's so old, but I love the highlight in it. And I put some right here. I use this one. This one's my favorite one. A little dot on my nose, like that. A little bit here. Some on my brow bone. And I go in with this fan brush. And then setting spray. So I'm just gonna set this. I do quite a bit of makeup for every day, like honestly, but it's because I like the process of doing makeup. I enjoy doing it. I feel like it's fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a makeup video in a while, so it's something a little bit different. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!